Hi guys, I'm Greg Anderson, driver of the HendrickCars.com Summit Racing Equipment Chevy Pro Stocker on the NHRA drag racing circuit. And we're going to explain a little bit today about what we do at KB Titan Racing. Obviously, I've said this a million times before, but we fully believe in this class that these races are won or lost here in the race shop. If you show up at the racetrack with inferior product, you're probably not going to do well. You show up at the racetrack with the best product, you've got a great chance of winning. What that means to us here at KB Titan, we build our own engines. We have to build a lot of race parts for the race cars and the engines. Anything we can dream up in a race part, we can come to our CNC shop, throw it in our Centroid A560. We happen to have two 560s. We've got a 560 XL. We've got a regular 560. We machine a lot of parts on the Centroid. Cylinder heads, obviously very important to the engine. Intake manifolds. You see an intake manifold being run right here now. Machining one of those. Constant development. R&D is the name of the game in Pro Stock. Whoever shows up at the racetrack with the best mousetrap, probably going to win that weekend. So that's what it's all about. And without the proper equipment, you definitely can't win. So Centroid's been fantastic to us. We couldn't be where we're at without them. KB Titan has together now over 200 race wins on the racetrack, 10 world championships. With the drivers that I've got on staff, myself included, Dallas Glenn wins a lot. We have very important drivers, very important race cars, capable of winning any race we go to because of the parts we can build here at KB Titan. If you wanted to look back 10, 15, 20 years ago, this didn't exist. You had to grind a cylinder head by hand. You had to work on an intake manifold by hand with a welder, sheet metal manifold. Now we use billet. We machine right from a solid chunk of billet, hit the button, stand back, go work on something else while that part's being done. So it's completely sped up the process of basically developing horsepower, and that's what it's all about in this class. Horsepower is still king. Every Centroid machine basically comes as a turnkey unit. That means tooling, software, and training. Also, if by chance we ever have a problem where a machine goes down, certainly doesn't happen very often, but they have probably the best service in the industry, and that is so important to us on a race team. We can't have downtime. So anytime anything's ever happened before, within 24 hours, 48 hours max, you've got a tech out here, machine's back up and running, you're back in the game. And that's what it takes to succeed in pro stock racing. The bottom line is, if you can dream it up, you can get a vision, you can create it in the Centroid.